Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Unbox Pro, your one-stop destination for everything tech. Today, we're diving deep into the all-new Samsung Galaxy A57, a smartphone that's bringing serious flagship vibes to the mid-range market. Right from the first look, the Galaxy A57 feels premium. Its sleek glass finish, curved edges, and refined symmetry scream Samsung's design perfection. On the front, you get a gorgeous 6.7-inch Super AMOLED Plus display with a 120Hz refresh rate. Every swipe feels buttery smooth, and colors look vivid, rich, and perfectly balanced. Ideal for gamers, binge watchers, or just anyone who loves beautiful visuals. Under the hood, the Galaxy A57 is powered by the Exynos 1680 processor, built on a 5nm process, paired with up to 8GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage. Multitasking, gaming, and switching between apps feel incredibly fast. Samsung has optimized this chipset to deliver near flagship performance while maintaining power efficiency, so even heavy tasks like 4K video editing or long gaming sessions stay smooth. Now let's talk about the camera setup, because that's where Samsung shines. The A57 features a triple camera system, a 50MP main lens with OIS, a 12MP ultra-wide, and a 5MP depth sensor. Photos come out crisp, detailed, and full of life, even in low light. The night mode performance is genuinely impressive for this segment. On the front, there's a 12MP selfie shooter that captures vibrant, natural-looking portraits, perfect for content creators and vloggers. Battery life, absolutely solid. The 5000 mAh battery easily lasts a full day with heavy use, and Samsung's 45W fast charging ensures you're never stuck waiting for long. Plus, it supports adaptive power management, optimizing battery health over time. Software-wise, you get Android 15.